Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we're going to make a crown pendant using origami techniques and silver clay paper. Silver clay paper is a special material made primarily from pure silver. It feels like thick paper with a slightly sticky texture. You can cut, fold, and shape it just like origami. No soldering or casting required, making it a perfect choice for beginners. This project is rated 3 out of 5 stars in difficulty. As long as you practice the folds beforehand, it's totally doable. If you'd like to try silver clay paper for yourself, you can find it in our Etsy shop. For this project, we'll be using a 6 by 6 cm sheet of silver clay paper. After opening the package, gently peel off the protective film. The silver clay paper may feel a bit moist or sticky at first. Place it on parchment paper and let it air dry for 5 to 8 minutes to allow for slight natural shrinkage. Once you're ready, begin folding the crown shape using the silver clay paper. You can use tweezers or small tools to help with folding and shaping, and a little silver clay paste to secure folds. Finally, attach a kiln-safe silver bale to the top of the crown using silver clay paste. You can let it air dry naturally or speed up the process with a hairdryer, mug warmer, or oven. For firing, we're using a gas stove. Start with low heat for 5 minutes. You may notice a short self-ignition reaction, about 5 to 10 seconds. This is completely normal. Then increase to medium to high heat for another 10 minutes. Be sure to keep the area well ventilated and monitor the temperature carefully. You can also use a kiln, firing at 800 degrees Celsius, about 1470 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 10 minutes. Once firing is complete and the piece has fully cooled, use a steel brush to gently remove the white oxide layer and reveal the shiny silver beneath. And that's it, your handmade silver origami crown pendant is done. It's elegant, stylish, and perfect to wear or give as a thoughtful gift. Here are a few quick tips to help your project go smoothly. First, practice folding with regular paper before starting with silver clay paper. Second, let the paper rest for a few minutes after peeling off the protective film. Third, whether using a kiln or gas stove, always ensure proper ventilation and monitor the heat closely. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe to our Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming silver clay projects. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!